Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to follow hashtags in Instagram. It's very simple, it's very easy to do, so let's just jump in it and I'll show you how to do it. Open up Instagram and go to the search page, basically your explore page, right here. Once you've done that, click to search and now you can search for anything. You just need to click hashtag and type, for example, audio, and here the hashtag audio will appear. Click on it, wait for it to vote, and now you can click to follow this hashtag. And so any images from any user, not from only one page or from only one user, will appear on your feed when you follow this hashtag. Also, if you're not sure if there even is such a hashtag, you can just search for audio, let's see, or Alfie, even, let's say Alfie, it's whatever. And you can just scroll down and click on tags right here, and you can see all the hashtags with such words, and you can click on any of them and follow them if you want. That's pretty much it. Hope this helped. If it did, leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.